Hi guys, it's Catalina's video again. So today we are doing a prize punch video today. If I make a bean bag into the hole, then I get to punch a cup. Some of them will have tricks, some of them will have nothing, and some of them will have a surprise. Let's get started. So let's throw a yellow one in. I never use the color yellow, so yeah. I made one in, so I get to punch one. I'm just going to hold it, because then I don't want it to fall and break. And the cups are all going to come out, so I choose this pink one right here. Dun, dun, dun. It's a trick. I have to take this paper off over my head, and I don't know what's inside it. Maybe confetti. I don't know. Yeah. Ah! Confetti! Shake it off. Shake it off. My hair's all glittery now. Let's try again. So I'm going to use the red one because I always choose red and it's my favorite color. Let's do this. I made one in, so I got to punch one. I choose this red one. 1, 2, 3. It's not. Ah, Shopkins! Yeah. But I'm going to open this at the end, so we get to have some more fun. Let's put it right here next to the... No, that's still something else. Yeah! I got another Shopkin. So let's put it here beside. So now let's throw a yellow one. I'm gonna take turns throwing each of these inside there. So 1, 2, 3, throw. I made one in again. So I choose this orange one. What did you do? I thought there was something in there like a Shopkin because that was like a little poking out. Like a little thing poking out, but there was. So now let's use a red one. 1, 2, 3, throw. I missed. So I get to go get it and do it again. I made it. So I'm gonna choose that blue one down there. What is this? A Shopkin! My life is getting even better. Let's put it over here. And I think there's something else in it. Another one! It is the best life I've ever had in my whole entire life. Now let's throw a yellow one. 1, 2, 3, throw. I threw one in. So now let's punch one. I'll punch this red one. I got 2! Yay! Go back. Okay, let's throw this one in. Oh, I missed. I get to go again with this. I keep on missing. But I know I can win. Into that hole so I can punch one of those. Finally, I will punch this one. This orange one I should see. Dun, dun, dun. I'll just leave that down. Oh my! Okay. So now let's do the yellow one. So let's throw this yellow one in. I didn't make it in, but I can still make one in. I made one in, yay! So if I find the egg filled with confetti, my brother's gonna crack it on my head. I'll choose this pink one right here, kids. 1, 2, 3, time! Nothing! What did you do, Mama? What did you do? Okay. So let's go with the red one. 1, 2, 3, throw. I think I can make it in. So let's throw this red one. Okay, I missed, but I can still make it in. I missed again, but I can still make it in. Let's throw that one. Yes, I made it! So I will choose this green one down here. Oh my, it's a Shopkins. Uh-oh. There's nothing else in there. It could have been. It's an orange one. It's right there. And so now let's throw this in. 1, 2, 3, throw. I made it in. So I choose this orange one, kids. What do you think it is? I think it's either like nothing or an egg because I don't see any Shopkins, or it doesn't feel like any Shopkins. I knew it would be nothing. No hitting my tag. Yes, I made it in. So I'll choose this pink one. Kids, comment down below. Which do you think is inside the pink one? 1, 2, 3, punch! OMG! This is so cool. Okay. Before we punch one of those, we are going to take this out because we're going to reuse them. Kids, I think I should punch this one. What do you think what color I should punch? The blue one? Okay, let's do it, kids. There's nothing in there. Oh. Okay, so my brother's gonna crack this on his head. Okay. Ah! Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Down. 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh, did you see that, kids? That was cool. I almost did it split. I made it in, so kids, let's go up here. And what color do you think I should punch, kids? The orange one, the green one, the blue one, or the green one? I think I should go with the green one. What do you say, kids? I hear you guys saying the green one. Which green one? That one or this one? This one? Okay, let's do this. That's a Shopkins kitty. Where's that? Just throw one in. Be careful, brother! throw some confetti in my hair, kids. So next that I'm gonna say, stop. So we have to try to find that last Shopkin. We almost have all of the Shopkins, and we are going to find that last Shopkin so we can win. Okay, kids? I hear an okay. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, throw. I made it. So come over here, kids. So which one do you think I should punch? The blue one, the red one, or the orange one, or this green one? I have to punch all of them because it doesn't matter if it's a prank or a Shopkins if I punch it. So I'll just go with the green one first. An egg. Come on, brother. Oh, it's gonna. Shake it off. Just leave that down. Okay. I made one in. Which one do you think I should punch, kids? This blue one, this red one, or this orange one? I think I should press this. Push that one. No, come over here, brother. Yeah. Let's throw one. Finally! Which one do you think I should punch, kids? The blue one or the red one? I'm going with the blue one. 1, 2, 3, punch! There's nothing in there, kids. Is that the pink? That's a prank! Oh, I found something! I found the last Shopkin. But we also have to punch that last one. So let's throw it in. I made it, so... And before we punch it, we have to try to guess what the prank is. So what do you think the prank is, kids? I think it's the egg with confetti. What did you say? You said it's nothing? Okay. Then what's inside? Oh my, this goes on my brother's head. So kids, let's start opening this orange one. Oh, this is so cute! So these are season 8 Shopkins. Next stop, Asia. Okay, where should we put the Shopkin, Mom? Okay, let's open the next one. Okay. I think I know what this is. It feels like a round ball or something. Oh, it's a hamburger, I think. Let's review the surprise, guys. 1, 2, 3. Let's review. It's a teapot! Okay, she's a little. So we got some cool Shopkins right there. This milkshake is an ultra rare. And this one is a teapot from Chinese. Okay, let's open this one. So let's open it. So let's just like open it up. OMG! It's a shoe. Smell it, guys. It's a stinky, smelly shoe. What is it? Oh! It's a Shanghai shoe. I don't know what it's called, but Shanghai shoes. Stay right there, Shanghai shoe. So adorable. It's ice cream. Okay, let's get started again, guys. So open now. Let's. OMG! I think we got twinsies in this one. Teacup. Oh my goodness. Every time we open Shopkins, we never get teacups like this. We never get twinsies. I'm gonna close my eyes. Comments down below. What is this? Oh my. OMG, this is a cute little cake. It goes right. So let's open this one now. It's a tree! It's a tree! It's a plant! It's a plant! It's a plant! It's a plant, and let's see what it is, where she's from. I think it's a she. I think it's a girl. Really? It's the same. Her name is Wiley Fan. Look, I found the fan, and her name is Wendy Fan. And she is an ultra rare, so I'm gonna put her in my rare. OMG, guys. Look who I got. Let's see where she's from. This is a lucky forge cookie, and it's a comment. So we'll put it down here with the rest of the comments. OMG, this is a cake, guys. Let's go, 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 let's go. Her name is Sakura Cake Comment, so I'll put her down here with the rest of them. I hope this is the ultra rare one. Again? Seriously, I had enough of it. All right, those 2 cups. I got doubles. I got doubles, kids. Why do you think I'm getting doubles? What did you say? Because. Okay, let's open this up, kids. I got a jacket, guys. What is it, guys? It's. Let's open her bestie up. This to my Shopkins collection. Oh, I got a little dress. This is so cute, kids. Can you still see it? Yes! Her name is Danica Dress and she is a rare, so I'll put her with my other rares. Okay. Oh, I got a little tower house. Hey. Can you see it still, kids? Not another triple. It's the same tree plant. Let's put it next to the tree. Okay. Put that there. Oh my! Not another triple. If you say I don't have this one, that's because I got this one in my car. Her name is Marilyn Cupcake and she's a common. So she goes. Not another triple. We keep on getting triples, guys. Right here. The first one. We got triples. Triples. So let's put them right here so they can be friends or family or whatever they are. We got last one. I really hope it's this rare one. Look at it. Come on. Another triple? Why won't I stop getting triple? I mean, 2. Can you see it up there? Oh my God, this is not a triple. It's a mommy and daughter shoe. Oh, it's so cute. Bye guys, it's the end of this video. Thank you for watching Catalina's video. Subscribe and hit that like. Bye. Oh my God.